Where does the name for Llaingoch come from? So today I'm just on the edge of Holyhead, outside Holyhead, in part of Holyhead, called Llaingoch. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. First we have Llain, which means a strip of land, a sort of thin plot of land. And then we have Goch, which is the soft mutation of Coch, which means red. So what does it mean by a red strip of land? Well, I have two theories about it. One is that red could refer to the soil being good, being healthy, being full of nutrients for plants. And the other one is that maybe it's just the colour of the soil here at one point, but I'm not sure. Now, an interesting part of the village is Capel Gorlas and Ffynnon Gorlas, which is just on the other edge of town, see if you can see it behind me. Yeah, down there somewhere. Now, there's a lot of travel reports of people visiting Capel Gorlas and Ffynnon Gorlas from the 1700s all the way through to the 1900s. And another weird local story I found is that actually at one point an escaped puma was captured here in the 1800s. It got away from a zoo apparently. So the name literally means the red strip. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.